My late technician, check this out. So one of my technician brought this phone to me. Guys, it's very far from me. So he gave it to some technician. They tried their best. You know, at the end it's not working, all proof abortive. So I'm going to try my best, and I'm sure this phone will work. I will try all my best to make sure that this phone works. So I'll first of all use my meter. This is my meter to test, and I will check everything one after the other. So this is iPhone 12. You can see this is iPhone 12. So it's from a technician. You can see. So this is iPhone 12. So I'm going to try my best to make sure that this phone works. So without time wasted, come on.
My dear technician, check this out. Welcome back to my new video. One of my technician brought this phone to me. My dear technician, check this out. So this is how the phone was brought to me. You can see. Check this out. Some technicians tried their best to make sure that the phone worked, but all proved abortive. My dear technician, check this out. This is iPhone 12. My dear technician, to fix this phone, I will first of all use my multimeter to test the VBAT. I have to check and confirm. Check this out. Here you can see I test the positive. You can see the reading 32 something. You can see 334 334. You can see 334. For the ground is reading. My dear technician, check this out. My dear technician, let me expatiate everything for you. You can see that the iPhone 12 have dual stack board. I mean dual layer board soldered together. Check this out. The dual layer board contains of the main logic board and the second small board. You may ask, Father Joe, what is the main logic board? The main logic board contains the CPU, which is the A14 CPU, the power management IC, the memory, etc. Okay? While the small board contains the charging port flex, the Taptic engine, the antenna models, button flex cable, face ID flex cable, etc. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, from the look of things, you can see an open circuit. There is an open circuit between the layers, okay? The layers of the board, there is an open circuit. The technician that solder the top board with the down one did not solder it very well. So if you check very well, when I zoom it, if you check very well, you see that the layers are not connected very well. There's what we call open circuit. And I'm going to use my boot cable and turn on this phone for you guys to see. You're going to see that the phone won't turn on, and you're going to see the trigger voltage. From the trigger voltage, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, if you have any question, you are free. Let me know in the comment section. By the technician, for the board separation, you need a preheater. Very, very important. If you don't have it, you can use your blower, but you have to be very, very careful. For me, I don't have preheater, so I normally use my blower and it works for me. Okay? You just have to be very careful when doing. Just take your time to do it. Okay? Just take your time to do it. Check this out. I want to power on the phone right now. I want you guys to see the trigger voltage. I want you guys to see the trigger voltage. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. My dear technician, the next thing is to power on the phone. Check this out. Just go straight here and then power on the phone. You have to be very, very careful. Check this out. You have to be very, very careful so that you will not spoil the pin. So be very, very careful. Check this out. Want to power on the phone right now. Okay. Check this out, my dear technician. It's loading right now, and I will show you guys the proof. I want you guys to see the proof, okay? Check this out. Check this out. You can see. So let me trigger for you guys to see. You can see I'm working on it right now. And right here, you can see my data technician. The phone nearly start up, but there's something wrong. You can see the phone hang. The phone try booting, but there's a problem. The phone hang, and after a while, it will return to zero. You can see my data technician. This is open circuit. There was a time I told you guys that is a must. You must have a DC power supply. It's very, very helpful. It's very, very helpful. Just try and get a DC power supply, even though it is a small one, okay? Just try and get a DC power supply. It will help you. Okay, with the DC power supply, you saw the trigger voltage, okay? At the technician, take note, when you have a DC power supply, make sure that you understand the DC power supply. Don't just have it without understanding how DC power supply works. Check this out. I set the temperature to 350. Check this out. I'm using 350 right now to heat up the board. I want to shake the board a little bit. I want the leads that is joining the two boards together to melt, okay, to soft. You understand? When solder soft. So when it's soft, I will try and shake a little bit and the issue will be resolved. If not, I'm going to separate the two boards and then go deeply and check. At the technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Please, when you're doing this, you have to be very, very careful. Make sure you are careful, okay? Here you can see we have the NAND, so be very careful with the NAND so that you won't spoil the NAND. Be very careful. Here we have connectors all around, the Face ID, the charging flex, the Taptic engine, all connections here. So you have to be very, very careful. You can see I try shaking a little bit. Good, good. And let's continue heating up. You can see I'm heating up right now. Let's continue to do that. You have to be very careful. I want everything to solder properly. Check this out. If you have any question that you want to ask me, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'm taking my time to do this, so take your time to do yours, okay? I'll be done. 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 As a technician, if you have a preheater, you're good to go. But if you don't have it, you can use reward station like this. But if you're using reward station, please, I'm begging you, you have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful, please. By that technician, have in mind that not everything I post online, okay? Have in mind about that. Not everything I post online. Take note. Always check my disclaimer. So if you're unsure, like your technician, you're unsure, you're not sure that this thing you'll be able to do it, please don't try it. I don't want you to have any issues with your customer. I beg of you, don't try it. Okay? That's all. Check this out. We have some pests around. Check this out. So I have to clean it a little bit. We have some pests around. So just take my time to clean it. If you have questions, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I will answer you. Check this out. So the next thing is turning on the phone to see if it works. If not working, I'm going to separate the two boards and I go deeply and check. At that initial, this is the screen. So let me connect the screen. Let me connect the screen and see. At that initial, check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. 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 By that technician, let me give you some information. When any phone, not just iPhone, when any phone that is not turning on, you use your machine, which is your DC power supply, you try to turn it on. and it hang, like the trigger voltage hang, make sure you do proper checking. Okay, make sure you do proper checking. Most of the hang is just open circuit. I've solved this open circuit many times. But the technician, check this out, it works. Check this out, it works. You can see the phone turns on. Check this out. I told you guys that it was open circuit. My technician, I'm very happy right now, guys. I'm excited. Do you know what? I'm excited because the technician that brought this phone to me, the technician that brought this phone to me promised me a whole lot of things. So uh, I don't just know what to say, guys. I don't want to say what the guy promised me, but I'm happy because I'm going to have something. Like, I'm happy. I'm super excited, guys. Oh, the phone is back to life. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I love question. I love question. Most of the video I normally post it is based on the question you people ask. Okay, when I see a question like, Father Joe, please do a video about this, Father Joe, please explain this, I'll just do a video explaining everything. Guys, check this out. So this is the phone. You can see. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My technician, you can see I charged the phone. It's charging right now, 8%. Check this out. I want to confirm everything before I hand over the phone to the owner. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Guys, thank you and see you in my next video. Bye. I love you. Bye for now.